How to comment GIFs on Instagram. This tutorial shows you how to add one instead of typing text. First, open the Instagram app. Go to the post you want to comment on. After that, tap the comment icon below the post. From there, tap the text field to bring up the keyboard. At this point, tap the GIF icon above the keyboard. In the next step, browse the suggested GIFs or type a keyword to search for a specific one. Following this, tap the GIF you want to use. Once done, it will automatically be added as your comment. Keep in mind, GIF comments post instantly once selected, so there's no separate send button to tap afterward. Finally, check the comment section to confirm your GIF posted successfully. And that's it. If this guide helped you comment GIFs on Instagram, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates.